Hello everyone, this is Ajaz from Bombay Tool Supplying Agency Private Limited, India. In this video, we will discuss about our product Jafuji Make Portable Hardness Tester. As you all know, the hardness tester is used to determine the hardness value of a component. In our instrument, we use lead measuring method, also known as a rebound method, which is defined by dropping a carbide ball on a component and calculating the rebound velocity. Harder the material, higher the rebound velocity it produces. This is the basic principle on which our instrument works. Now, let us check the content of a Jafuji portable hardness tester. The Jafuji hardness tester comes in a convenient carrying case. Inside, we have the main instrument, a state-of-the-art, palm-sized and easy to operate hardness tester. Next, a master block is provided. For example, this master block has a hardness of 793 HLD. It will be used as a reference to calibrate the instrument. We also have the cleaning brush for our instrument. And of course, the operating manual. The components on which we check the hardness must weigh at least 5 kg to be measured without any support. However, if the component is less than 5 kg, we should provide support for accurate reading. Now, let us switch on the instrument. Here we can see the material and hardness scale that has currently been selected. This can be changed by accessing the menu by long pressing the down button. The first menu option is a material, and we can change the material by short pressing the up button, which will cycle through the various available material options. Keep pressing this button until your desired material appears. In this case, let us choose forged steel. Now press down button to go to the next menu. Here once again we can cycle through the various hardness scales until the desired scale appears. Let us select HL. Next menu option is the mean time, followed by memory, where we can view, export and erase data. This is followed by calibration, backlight, battery information and device information. Now let us see how to calibrate and use the instrument. We can load the carbide ball by pushing the loading device downward. Then place the instrument on the block and release it by pushing this button. We have got a reading of 797 HL. As our master block has a value of 793, we will adjust the reading to calibrate the instrument. For this, we will go to the menu and select calibration. In calibration, we will select the adjust option. Here, you can adjust the value as per your reading. Since we need to reduce 4 microns from our reading, we will choose -4. We will choose and then long press the down button to confirm. Now the instrument is calculated. It is as simple to use Jafuji portable hardness tester. If you have any technical queries, please contact us and kindly visit our website www.btsa.in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative technical videos. Thank you.